Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to talk to you about who might the luckiest zodiac signs in 2018 be. And so I'm going to read to you some zodiac signs which are going to be extremely good or bad. The luckiest signs that I've chosen in my research are Cancer, Leo, and Sagittarius. And if these three zodiac signs can be the ages of 20 or 21 or 29 or 30 or 38 or 39 or 47 or 48 or 56 or 57 or 65 or 66 or 74 or 75 in 2018. If there are any of these ages, these people from Cancer, Leo and Sagittarius will be extremely lucky. The others who are not of these ages which I've mentioned will also be lucky, but these especially will have the Midas touch with them in 2018. Also lucky are people coming from Aries, but special luck can be theirs, people from Aries, if they happen to be the ages of 19, 20, 28 or 29, 37 or 38, 46 or 47, 55 or 56, 64 or 65, 73 or 74 in 2018. So those from Aries can be lucky as well, but there will be an added lucky fortune if they are of these ages which I've just mentioned. And if they are not of these ages mentioned, don't worry, you will still be able to do well enough in 2018. Also lucky are those coming from Pisces and Taurus. But special luck for Pisces and Taurus can be theirs if they happen to be the ages of 20 or 25, 29 or 34, 38 or 43, 47 or 52, 56 or 61, 65 or 70 in 2018. So those coming from Pisces and Taurus can also attract luck in every form, especially if they are of these ages which I've just mentioned. And if they are not of these ages, don't worry too much. You will also be all right in 2018. The zodiac signs that have to be the most cautious in 2018 are Scorpio, Capricorn, Gemini, Virgo, and Aquarius. If you happen to come from these signs, you have to be cautious in all areas of your life, whether in marriage and family or romance, whether in job or business or finances, and also in health. And especially if their ages are 20 or 25, 29 or 34, 38 or 43, 47 or 52, 56, 61, 65, 70 or 74. And if they happen to be of these ages in 2018, they have to be especially very, very cautious in all areas of their life. Also to be cautious are those from Libra. And those from Libra, if they are the ages of 19 or 28 or 37 or 46 or 55 or 64 or 73, they also have to be very, very cautious. So this is especially in 2018. And so those who have to be cautious need to be careful and not expose themselves to risk. Now, I'm going to read to you a scheme of how this series can do. If you are Aries, then those from Taurus, Cancer and Pisces are going to trouble you in 2018. And those from Sagittarius, Leo and Aries are going to be very helpful for you. If you are from Taurus, then those from Capricorn, Scorpio or Sagittarius will go against you. And those from Cancer, Leo or Pisces will come to assist you. And if you are from Gemini, be careful that Pisces, Sagittarius and Leo people will disturb you a lot, causing problems. And those from Aquarius, Virgo and Libra will be very helpful to you. And if you are from Cancer, then Aries, Scorpio and Capricorn people are going to give you trouble of all kinds. And those from Taurus, Pisces or Sagittarius will help you. And if you are from Leo, then those from Aries, Sagittarius and Cancer will be most helpful to you. But those from Aquarius, Libra and Gemini will trouble you a lot in 2018. Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. If you are from Virgo, then those from Sagittarius and Pisces and Aries will give you a load of trouble of all kinds. And if you are from Libra, then Aries and Leo and Sagittarius will trouble you a lot. And if you are from Libra, those from Capricorn, Virgo and Aquarius will help you very much. And then if you are from Scorpio, Taurus, Cancer and Libra people will bring problems for you. And those from Gemini, Aquarius or Capricorn will be very, very, very good for you. And if you are from Sagittarius, watch out for Gemini, Virgo and Libra people to trouble you a lot. And those from Aries, Leo and Sagittarius will come to help you. And if you are from Capricorn, those from Cancer, Taurus and Pisces will bring you difficulties. And people from Scorpio, Virgo and Aquarius will help you since you are from Capricorn. And if you are from Aquarius, watch out that those from Leo, Aries or Pisces will make life very difficult for you. And people from Gemini, Virgo and Libra will assist you a lot. And if you are from Pisces, then people from Taurus, Cancer or Leo will help you a great deal. And people from Gemini, Virgo and Libra will make life very difficult for you. I'm going to read to you about Virgo once more. If you are from Virgo, those from Sagittarius, Pisces and Aries will trouble you a lot. And those from Gemini, from Virgo itself and Libra will help you a lot. So overall, from my findings in 2018, I see that many changes in the outlook of people all over the world is going to be seen. Secondly, many marriages can happen all over the world. Thirdly, people will relocate all over the world. Fourthly, a different form of trading in goods and currency will make its mark in 2018. Fifth, the eastern sector of the world will do better than the western sector of the world, which means eastern countries will do better than western countries in 2018. And much of the west will be in the east in the form of people, which will be very good for the east, as importance for the east will be shown. And lastly, spiritualism and the thirst for meditation and such things will attract people of the world as they look for comfort in alternative ways. And that is my prediction for 2018 to talk about the luckiest zodiac signs in 2018. I hope I've been helpful. Thank you and good luck.